On the stage, the superstars of PBB G22, SB19, and Miss Sara Geronimo. Thank you so much. Thank you. Acer Venom.
Hey, Josh!
Had so much fun.
Josh!
My name is Robbie Domingo. Lots of things happened
Again!
and to relive what just happened at Acer Day 2025, I invite you to
Hi,
look at
Josh!
this and watch this. This is one moment you should not miss. If I were you, get your phones out, your cameras, take videos, take lots of photos, and use our official hashtags. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin all our artists for Acer Day 2021. Again, don't forget to use our hashtags Acer Break the Limit, Acer Day 2025. Let the world see what it's like to break a limit with Acer. And just when you thought we have seen it all, Acer is about to surprise us with something that proves how far Filipino talent go when we...
Sabihan ko na sobrang mabis namin kayo. We've been in the US for 1 month, and we are really looking forward to, para makapag-perform ulit in front of you guys. And we are very happy na ganito yung energy ng lahat. Kaya maraming salamat. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal na pinapadama niyo sa amin. From before up until now, 18, maraming salamat.
Ladies and gentlemen, here at Acer Day 2025, palakpakan po natin our Filipina Queens. We got AJ, Alfea, and Jess, G22! Thank you so much, our female alphas. We'll be seeing more of them later on. At kailangan handa kayo sa sorpresa yun. Maraming salamat. Once again, palakpakan po natin, G22! Ngayong Acer Day 2025, we...
During our darkest moments, for being there, believing in us sa journey namin.
Actually, kung wala si Acer, hindi naman alam kung saan naman makukuha yung confidence na magpatuloy. Kasi isa sila yung sa unang support po sa amin kahit na anong nangyari sa amin dati.
Acer gave us a platform. All of us, they gave us a platform. So, maraming salamat, Acer. Being in line with our advocacy and also inspiring us. We really appreciate you. Kaya, kayo ang aming musika.
We got a lot of moments later on, no? Pero alam niya, sobrang ang tagal ko nang gustong sabihin to. you guys, kahit nakalabas na kayo from the Big Brother house, naging parte naman kayo ng bawat tahanan, ng bawat Pilipino. Kaya maraming salamat. We'll be seeing more of them later on. Ladies and gentlemen, being part of the Acer family, pinakapaan po natin our ex-PBB Collab Housemates. We'll be seeing more of you guys later on. Thank you. Our PDG or extended PDG. Grabe talaga. I know some of you or most of you are on social media.
Pero wag talaga guys, ang dami nila guys.
Ang dami talaga dito.
Pero Kuya Robbie, I would say I'm really grateful. I feel like I've already said this in the interview. This is the essence of collab for us. Parang itong pamilya na to, hindi lang po ito na buo na joke-joke lang.
Oh.
Totoo po at genuine po na may relasyon sa loob ng bahay. So for us to endorse a brand that's very close to our heart po, we're really grateful po for Acer na kinuha po kaming pamilya de Guzman plus extended family.
Yes, very authentic yung family. Ano? We got a lot of questions. Siyempre, we're gonna be having this chit-chat time with our extended PDG or the new faces of Acer. Pero he continues to break a limit with every character, every laugh, every bold step. And guys, we have known characters like Ma'am Castro, Bogart, Balong, and Precious, played by this awesome personality. Kaya naman, Acer fam, join me in welcoming the one and only Esther!
Di ba? Akala ko naman talaga magpo-perform siya, sayaw siya. Pero syempre, para sa ating Acer fam at sa mga tao nga dito, mapasabog talaga tayo, di ba?
Maraming pasabog, ha? Atake!
Please welcome your host for Acer Day 2025, the ever sharp, always on, Robbie Domingo!
So much for that introduction! Wow, look at this crowd! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Acer fam,
Ang hirap umalis sa bahay, iwan yung mga anak, pero minsan kailangan namin gawin. Kahit may sakit, tumutulog kami. Kahit birthday na anak namin, tumutulog kami. Pero alam mo kami, sasampa kami dito, tapos nakikita namin kung gaano kasaya. Para kasama namin yung mga mahal namin sa buhay niya. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Marami ng masamang tao sa paligid sa mundo. Huwag tayong tumaglag, magmahala na lang tayo lahat. I love you guys. Yun, pinakakala ko. Pero kami pinauso. Kung tawag ito, reverse clap. Simple-simple lang. Galing sa lado, bubukas yung kamay.